What's going on today, people? Please do me a favor, like, comment, share, subscribe. Please subscribe for me, y'all, please, because I want to grow the page. I want to monetize so I could do more things and put back into the page. I want to do giveaways, but I'm got to get to the monetize point, y'all. So please, if you're watching this video, I see sometimes I get up to 200-300 people watching my videos, y'all. So if that's the case, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. You should see it at the, I think it's the bottom, I don't know if the bottom right or the bottom left. It's like a little icon with my picture on it, y'all. So do me a favor and do that. But pretty much this video is about why I don't have a Hellcat, right? Now, I come from a 2016 Dodge Challenger XXT. I bought it in 2016 with like maybe 10,000 miles on it, right? The car I currently have, I have the regular narrow body 2020, bought it brand new off of the lot, Scat Pack Challenger, right? So the thing is, right, a lot of people probably may have a question. You could have just got a Hellcat, right? A used Hellcat. You get a 2015, 2016, even some 2017s with like 15,000 miles, 30,000 miles, right? You can get them for about like 41,000, 45, between 40 and 50,000, right? I could have done that, right? I would have got a loan for that, but I feel like, I think after 36,000 miles, you lose your limited powertrain. I mean, you still got your regular powertrain warranty for 100K miles, but I feel like I couldn't put that type of money on a used car. And then people drive Hellcats pretty hard, or drive Dodge Challengers in general. They go drive them hard. That's what they made for. So I'm just a person, I'd rather start new. So the reason why I don't have a wide body Scat Pack 2020 Challenger is because I felt like, now they had a power dollars, but at the time when I used to look, I think they come out 2019, the wide body Scat Packs. But what time I was looking at it, they was all like 50,000 sticker or 52,000. Well, some of them still are, depending on what options you get. But I feel like with that, that's not really, I mean, if I'm gonna go into the 50 to 55,000 mile, sorry, 50 to $55,000 range, I might as well get a Hellcat. They have base model Hellcats. You could check it right now. Go to Auto Trader, go to cars.com, and you go see they got about like 56,000 out the door without tax. Brand new Hellcats, narrow bodies, right? So I'm like, if I'm gonna pay that much money, that's what I'm gonna go for. But more reasons I don't have a Hellcat, because like, you don't really need that 707 horsepower or 707 horsepower. You don't need like every day for like a daily. What I like with these cars though, anyway, if you do got a Hellcat, you could use the black key, or you could dial it down to, I believe you could still do the eco mode with the 4 cylinders and stuff like that, you know, to save gas. So I mean, you don't buy these to save gas anyway. So of course, anybody with a Scat Pack would probably take a Hellcat. Like, why not? And I think the biggest thing for people is the actual payments and how much your monthly would be, and just the actual price. That's a lot of money. I mean, if you get a base Scat Pack, you could get one right now with the power dollars for like out the door, like 30, I say 32 to 35,000, like depending on what options you get out the door without tax. With tax on it, you probably get it for anywhere from 37 to 40,000 out the door with taxes. So you got to think, a Hellcat, you pretty much go reach with taxes. You go reach for like a base model, brand new narrow body, you probably go reach probably almost 60 to 65,000. So that's a lot of money. That's like damn near doubling the price. So that's pretty much what it is. But what I think I'm gonna do, I know y'all seen my other videos, is I'm gonna just try to go for the Hellcat, man. I'm gonna just take some time and save up, get my credit more together, see how much money I can save, and just go for it. And I just want to do it, man, because the Scat, don't get me wrong, is great. You could do everything, got a lot of power, you know what I mean? Great car, like nothing to be played with, nothing to look down on. But you know, for me, especially after seeing Tall Guy, shout out to Tall Guy for getting, I think he got the first super stock in the world, man. So just looking at that, it's like, go for the top if you can, you know what I mean? And just try it out, and just like go for the top. And then I believe like that's what I'm gonna do, man. Just go for the top. So like, comment, share, subscribe. That's the end of the video, y'all. And like I said, man, the videos will get better. I'm actually on my way to work now, so I work every day, so sometimes it's difficult to go out and get proper footage when you work like every day. So I'm trying to get y'all better content. I don't know if I'm boring y'all with this talking, y'all, but just if you watching the video, do me a favor and subscribe, y'all. I want to get monetized. Like I said, I want to do giveaways. I want to do a lot of things to the car and stuff like that. So just help me out, y'all. And you know, if you want me to subscribe back, you just put sub and I'll sub back to you, man. It's all the community. I'm just talking all Dodge, whatever you got, SXT, with whatever level of Dodge that you have, man. All right, Mopar, no car, man. I know how that go, y'all. But I'm gonna be out of here. Do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, y'all, and peace.